Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about tectonic plate theory. Have you wondered why do we have volcanoes and mountain ranges? The land we are living is constantly moving. It's like sailing in a big ship, you can't notice it but the effect can be seen. Plate tectonics theory had its beginning in 1915 when Alfred Wegener proposed his theory of continental drift. Wegener's ideas were controversial because he didn't have an explanation for why the continents move. It lays the groundwork for the development of modern plate tectonics. To understand the plate tectonics, it is important to know first about the layers of the Earth. Earth is made of several layers, which can be described by compositional or by mechanical properties. The crust, mantle, and core are characterized by compositional. The exterior layer of the Earth is made of solid rock, basalt, and granite. There are two kinds of crust. We have the oceanic crust, continental crust. Oceanic crust is thinner and denser because it mainly consists of basalt. However, when we take a look on how the Earth behaves, we can classify them through mechanical properties. We have lithosphere. Lithosphere is the outermost layer that includes the entire crust and the top of the mantle. The next are the asthenosphere, mesosphere, outer core, and inner core. And the plate tectonics theory is more focused in outermost layer of the Earth, which is the lithosphere, and it is divided into continent-sized plates. Plate tectonics states that the surface of the Earth is divided into plates and is constantly moving, which may cause different geographical phenomena such as volcanoes, earthquakes, and cracks. These plates are moving in different ways and having interacts with one another. Where these plates are made are called boundaries. There are three types of boundaries. These are convergent boundaries, divergent boundaries, and transform boundaries. In convergent boundaries, in these boundaries, when oceanic and continental plates collide, the oceanic plate are denser while the other the continental plate which is less dense, and this create subduction zone. As a deeper where the plate goes, the pressure creates. That pressure coupled with high heat from the mantle causes the crust to melt, forming magma, and the magma rises up towards the surface, and the volcanoes is formed. Best example for this is the Pacific Ring of Fire. The collision of oceanic and continental plates also creates trends or underwater trends. It also occurs earthquakes near the boundaries and tsunamis as a result. If the two plates are continental plate and having the same density, the boundaries will lift up and it form into mountain ranges. Example is the Himalayas mountain, where the Indian and Eurasian plate meets. As the plates continues to move, the peaks of the mountain also continues to grow. Next, divergent boundaries, where the plates are moved apart as it seafloor ranges or continental rift zones, such as the East Africa Rift. Molten rocks rises from the Earth's center to fill the gap. And the last boundary is the transform boundaries, where plates slide past one another. Transform margin marks slip-sliding plates, such as California San Andreas Fault. The San Andreas mark the location where the North America and Pacific plates grind past each other. And then, when plates are not smooth to slides but generate stress and release them in a form of seismic event.